it, unboxing, that's the right word. Unboxing a tie clip microphone. This is a tie clip microphone. And
hello, please click the red subscribe button below this video to get our latest video updates, and then click on the bell icon to get notified each time we create something new. Thank you. Naija Celeb TV.
hello, welcome back, guys. Good morning if you're watching in the morning, good afternoon if you're watching in the afternoon, good night if you're about to go to bed. Okay, all the same, today I'm going to be launching or let me say opening. How do they even say it? There is how they say it, unboxing, that's the right word. Unboxing a tie clip microphone. This is a tie clip microphone, and a lot of people have been saying, come on boy, get a microphone. Why are you always screaming? Why are there noise in the background? Why are there birds and children shouting and that? Well, I'm still single, not like I'm married, but most times kids, you know how their voice go, people around. But sometimes in this YouTube stuff, you don't have to wait until you have all the necessary equipment, your tripod, your lights to get started. You can just start with what you have at the moment. Well, for those who feel that is necessary. Some other people might not like to compromise anything and just but the truth is high quality content helps, but it is not just all about the video, the high graphic videos that you do. I mean the high quality videos, and yes, it's good you have high quality, but most time people focus on the content, then then the quality, the video quality comes. So no long talks, guys. I finally got a microphone. Because I want better content. This is a tie clip microphone, just as I told you, and it's a data microphone. If you don't know what a tie clip microphone, the one you fix on your cloth, on the tie or somewhere, and then you talk. So this is not a paid advert. This is Ahuja. Yes, and it is not a paid advert from the company or the manufacturers, but I personally did some research and I think this is one of the best we have. Well, I've been trying all this while to get a microphone and a tight clip microphone like this, but sometimes what drags me or just makes me just say let me just do this. When I want to order this stuff online, I see most of them are from overseas, are being shipped down from overseas, and they take about a month or 2 months for that to get delivered. And I'm like, am I just going to sit down and wait until a month or two before I create content? I'm like, well, let me just keep going. But all this while, I didn't check for it for a long time, and then I decided to just let me just check this out, and then so I can improve the quality of my content. And then I went online, and then I saw that I can get this in Nigeria delivered to me like in a few days. So I went to Jumia, and then and then I saw this. It took okay. Jumia wrote the delivery period to be 1 week, but I couldn't wait for that 1 week, so I went to GGNG, and then this got delivered to me like the next day in Lekki. I was in Lekki Peninsula when I got this. So no long talks. I would like you to look at the major features, and then we'll unbox it immediately. Professional performance microphone, omnidirectional characteristics, 6 meters shielded, low noise enabled, and fixed tie clip. So I'm going to open this right now and let us see what is inside. Be right back. So guys, I'm back, and then I got my small kitchen knife, and then let me carefully unseal it and see what we have inside. Ooh, man. Okay. Ooh. Then are you there? Are you there? Say freaky freaky. Say hi. Ah man. Okay, here we go. Wow, so nice packaging wise, very nice packaging. I've not talked about the price, I'll tell you right now. Oh, let me open this. Wow. So basically everything is inside this pack. Ahuja branded pack. And then this is empty now, so keep this. Oh, Then let's see what's inside. Unboxing. Wow. Okay. Wow, amazing. Okay, this. And what else? The manual. Okay. I'll go through this carefully. So let's keep the back by the side. So I think this is the main microphone. Okay. Wow, this looks good. Wow. Wow. It looks good, man. It looks good. So basically this is the clip. This is where you clip it. Whoa. Ooh. I thought I broke it. Wow. Okay. So now, sorry, you guys can hear background noises. When I put this on, let us know if the background noises will be gone, and then we can have just my voice heard, just as they said in the futures. Omini. Well, I don't know if that's what they meant. Then this is the main microphone here. Just looking at it. Okay, and then okay, I think this is used to connect the microphone to an amplifier. Can I open this? Oh. Mm. Okay, from here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this is space for battery. And then the cover. I think you use this to connect this to an amplifier, to an amp, a big amp. Okay, guys, that is it. So I'm going to connect the mic right now, and let us see how it is going to sound. And let us know if the background noises that we are hearing or that we can hear will be gone. So stay tuned. And then you can see now I have the mic. This is the mic here. I don't have to like bend this way. I just have to stand straight and then talk, and let me hear how it's going to be. Let me know if the background noises are gone, and let me see if it's sounding well. I don't really know how I sound right now. I believe you can, maybe you can tell the difference. But all the same, I know this is a good quality, even from the feel and everything. I think it's going to be far more better than doing a YouTube video without a mic. So all the same, guys. Now coming to the price of this mic, coming to the price. I saw online in Jumia, it's let me not touch my face. There's coronavirus. Jesus. Online on Jumia is 5,000. Some people sell it for 4,800. Some places, some sellers sell it for 5,000. Others put their own 7,500. I don't know. But when I saw that 1 week, that 1 week delivery period, man, I needed this like as fast as possible. Just like, let me just improve the quality of my videos. Let me just try and at least give them good quality. I mean, in the sound, and then gently I can improve on other things around and how to get better background and all that. But so I headed to GGNG, GG.ng, and I saw a seller who was selling it for 6,500. Then I called him and was like, I need this microphone. Can it be delivered today or tomorrow? He was like, yes. So where are you? I told him, okay, I'm in Lekki Peninsula right now. He said it's in Ikeja. So the microphone goes 5,000, but because of my location, it's going to be 6,500. I was thinking because of my location, it's going to another 1.5 to make it 8,000, but it's still at that 6,500. I said, okay, fine. Okay, cool. 6,500 naira, which is about $18, not too expensive. For yeah. So there are other microphones, other type of microphones that are very cheap. That I see online as cheap as 825 naira. But those ones are shipped from overseas, and there are no warranties. This one too does not really have a warranty, but I've seen people use it, and from the feel, I know that it's going to be a very wonderful product. This is not a paid advert. So for you to get this is available in Nigeria and in several retail stores. You can get this in Lagos, in Ibadan, in different places. But I'll leave a link below to this particular one, because most people online buy this stuff and they will sell it at a higher price. I'm not this is just an affiliate link. If you buy from the link, I might just get like maybe 100 naira or 200 or just a little thing, but I just want to it's not a big stuff, it's not a big money, but I just want to make sure you get it from the right source. Okay, I think it's better when you buy from Jumia. Jumia is not a paid advert from Jumia. I think it's better when you buy from Jumia because there is a warranty that covers product that you buy. When you buy something from Jumia, if it's a Jumia Mall product, you are covered for 15 days. I mean, you can return it, you can change it if that's not the product. If it's not a Jumia Mall product like this one, you can return it after 7 days. What? So if it's a Jumia product, you can return it after 15 days of checking the product and making sure that it is not. I mean, I don't think you just buy a product, tear it, use it, and after 15 days you just want to take it back. I think there is a way you have to like make sure it's still in order and all that. So for this one, it's not a Jumia Mall product. It doesn't have that Jumia Mall written under it. So it is returnable after 7 days. And mind you, it's not that they are going to refund your money. I think you're going to wait and then they will get you the products, the specific product that you wanted. So I believe I sound better now. And then once more, make sure you give a thumbs up on this video, like, share, subscribe.